A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Guthrie, or 10 miles northeast of Clarksville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Guthrie around 7:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Allensville and Trenton. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Todd, Kentucky.
Doubleheader.
A severe thunderstorm. 30 p.m. for northeastern Dixon, eastern Montgomery, Cheatham, eastern Houston, and western Robertson counties. At 7:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Guthrie to 10 miles southeast of Clarksville to 11 miles northeast of McEwen, southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Springfield, Ashland City, Coopertown, White Bluff, Pleasant View, Charlotte, Adams, Cedar Hill, Sladen, Cheatham Dam, and Cunningham.
No, not Charlotte, North Carolina.
This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 6 and 31. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Montgomery, Tennessee. A tornado